I want to see you guys open something.
This is yours, Kelly.
Is it, Mom?
Does it have a name on it? Put all the names on it. Ripped it off already.
Merry Christmas, Kelly.
I don't think there's much.
Open it.
Oh, thank you.
Dada! Merry Christmas. It's closed. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. He's opening.
These are for you.
These are not mine.
Yes, Merry Christmas for you. Here, give this to Kelly. Give this to Kelly. This is Kelly's. Don't open it. Give it to her.